Welcome to Select here on the front row at IMTS in 2024. Up here we have the Pronto. So this Famar machine, the Pronto 6, the 6 designates a 6-inch diameter chuck. It is an inverted spindle lathe, so you can see the spindle actually comes over, drops off a part, and then comes back down and picks up the next part. And then it'll take it inside the machining area to do the machining. Over here, we have the Fausto Marinello twin-spindle 5-axis horizontal machining center. So this is the loading area for the Fausto Marinello FM23. This is where the operator would load and unload parts. And this pallet changing system is on a drum-style, trunnion-style pallet changer. So when it needs the pallet change, it'll rotate 180 degrees, and as if on cue, that's exactly what it would do. So that's what we have in the booth this year at IMTS. As you can see on the wall here, our theme this year at IMTS is your solutions for your biggest manufacturing challenges. That goes for not only large machines with Schulte, Momentum, Ibarmia, and Geminis, but high production with Famar Group and Fausto Marinello.